Ndobate Matiang'i gore ni president. Na gioro cha manganale so far assessment yako.
Utatengo tebeke maino mukwa.
Tebeke maino.
Bana chiro mugambi amagoro. In my view and without mincing my words, they have exposed His Excellency Fred Matiang'i.
Ikobono 2027 I am with UDA, you are going to take Obugambi Kitutu Chacha South.
Omaita abantu abagoteba andi mbya gwakora kwareta mangana UDA ana UDA tokonyara omugambi bono ororo ari Jubilee mnakole tuga nero mujumbe. Mimi nawaambia watu wa Kitutu Chacha South awangalii party wanaangalia mtu abantu abama tena omuntu oyo okongira bongo omuntu nabwate experience omuntu nabwate utegemeo ono muntu okonyorekana raisi ono muntu orakonye kenyoro neki abantu bamanyete ekero kuri ne basi ya ena coach kwa Nairobi gwakana gose 1500 ekero giko okolete ball espana kwa rushe kero gikyo watane kero kya nakanete na ikira na kero mboro gitiga gabo gusenje ne basi nkolina ngende Nairobi igo amangana epati ase Kitutu Chacha South aki itafanya kazi.
Itafanya kazi.
Ekero tu abekere to mujumbo yo. Ese party. Party atokora magendero. Amagendero ni mtu. Utu wa mtu binafsi wake. Engenchali. Lakini party tekoleta magendero. Anita atokoteba bagusi. Party tekoleta magendero ase a constituency ya Kitutu Chacha South.
Ndobate Matiang'i gore ni president. Na gioro cha manganale so far assessment yako.
Utatengo tebeke maino mukwa.
Tebeke maino.
Ngo tebeke maino. Bima tafuta disa abantu mbandame.
Kora mango yo mukwa tenzo ndomba ikora.
Ya abantu mana akinti ambate ina. Abantu baito bamugwate tokoboko. Babu mujumbo Kitutu Chacha South.
Yes.
Na bande. Baulira omugambi engubo yobugambi. Bamutigire exposed.
Posapi.
Mba bwenderete. None ritukerimo. Watura. Omuntu okorkwesfuna estole. Mba bwenderete. None ritukerimo. Omuntu bwenderete kubaire esisi funa nyesifuna karora akor Fred Kengo Matiang'i.
Wagwane bia.
Tanganero bwatete abatemi mekuja na vijana wangu. Wako huko. Wewe kijana sema jina yako.
Taliba no bagutangana.
Taliba bagutangana ali. Bakorogira amachi. Bakorogire gaiga amachi aya gusiba babiki turubo. Mama ngocha kotena bono otogocha komoleta garia. Who is cheating who? We are smart. You don't turgokore principle igo. The principle negotiates. The principle brings his people on the table.
You go mbari lawyers Matiang'i.
DCP. Noro chegenta kore Mount Kenya.
Yes.
Can you imagine abantu bali barororo chiempi nchirororo metu warororo aiche Jubilee
ate Matiang'i tosha
amene gotebi rigadi munabono na korose rigari nkoire gari it can't work. They have banachire umugambi amagoro
boka banyene
and I'm talking to the Kisii nation ndada montegerere banachire umugambi amagoro. In my view and without mincing my words, they have exposed His Excellency Fred Matiang'i. They have exposed him. Uma think poka mangano osora ukwa. Abantu bakamurama bakakora. He had a point. Osoro MP for Bugirango. He had a point because he looked nandigiretiga. Because you cannot buy experience. Experience in public service and in analysis. Even when I was in government, I would analyze the political situation. Not my governor, Your Excellency, given the scenario that we have, options to buate. Governor, I think you have a point. The current situation, they have removed what we call engubo yo obugambi. Baaminyo kire kurwesi Fred, Dr. Fred. Wameipeleka wapi? Asesifuna. Wacha wakae huko. Yeah. wacha bono the ekiagara why were they doing so libaga baruche na something imeanza ku go wrong hapa bakataka ku survive on themselves bakoreki bagainie momentum area bakatike brother yabo nyanchagati atikora ngeri ndetero bwato ndetero na ya yango ngokoletera tuli kakulimera roche. That's exactly what they have done to Fred. And I can't lie. It's a fact, and the Kisii nation needs to know that.
Umeshimia na renga ngolera kole interview kwa n'abantu bakisija South.
Yamon. Abantu baito bakitutu Chache South. Njetinda te ukwana mangana mange na mbona rena kwanire senge njo omomroyo mukwamade ngakiago mprovoke. Njetigante bemna nchenkoli yobogambi noko bakoko. Hakuna vita, hakuna kutukana watu na facts. Njenda tako baretera magendero ya kuona na kushika. Nchengo barukina utaka oboke beko musingagari chinjoke chiche onyoro oboke bwao onyakomena na abana bawo. Lakini oboke boli gocha gwatayiruneka kombe kwanyu wensi mbogo ikanka kwabekenda norusie ndagera inda omwano goso omurugyo ikina kintatu ko babuli nasabalende na ande tubwaterane kogenda ase koleta magendero akitutu Chache South
biamono sana bagusiti antigirabo ndinokwa na mange bano mushima Patrick Lumumba ukubole bujumbe bakitu Chache South abantu bakitu Chache South mamutegerere mamwegule ukubwana okwe tumya next time tuyatutwara mulembe twanje ni kiguni kirocho kisire pi biamono sana tumya mushima. Thank you so much. May God bless you.
Thank you very much.